Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this morning, me and Stuntman Mike here, we get up, I get up 4:30, he get up at 5:30 to shoot a video for you guys. So what I thought we would do in this video is shoot a video of us shooting the video. Just so you guys can have some idea what it takes to shoot a YouTube video. I know for me, YouTube's a little more work than I expected, but I guess I don't really mind because it gives us something to do, gives us more reason to enjoy the cars, and I've noticed we're getting a lot of interest in people wanting to come on the channel, so that's actually good, and we're going to have more cars. The GT500 we had not too long ago, we're going to see if we can get him back on again. I don't think we really did that car justice, and I want to shoot another video if he's willing to come back on, which I think he is. But anyway, what do you think of YouTube so far, Jonathan?
Like you say, it's more work than what I thought at the beginning.
Yeah, it takes quite a bit of work. Like this video we just shot, or we're going to shoot today, it'll probably end up being, I don't know, 5 or 6 minutes, and what do we have? Probably 2-3 hours in it.
Yeah.
And a lot of driving. I did a hyperlapse of the drive from my place to where Jonathan lives, and then from Jonathan's, it's another, what is it out there? 10 minutes, 15? Yeah. 10 or 15 minutes, and then you got to get the camera set up. In this video, you'll see us set up the cameras and the microphone, but we also have to set up the cameras out where we do the quarter-mile runs, and we'll have to turn the cameras on and turn the microphone on, and then a lot of times things don't work out, does it? I mean, we're both new to this. Neither one of us really have any experience with cameras, really.
And you got to fit the weather into it.
Yeah, and then the weather, that's another thing. Me and him, he works really long hours. I work odd hours, so it's hard for our schedules to get lined up so we can get together to do a video. And I don't know, to me it seems like we do better when we're together than when we're alone. Yeah. I make a lot of mistakes when he's not with me, and he makes a few. Of course, I can't really say anything bad about him because he has less experience than I do, because I've been doing this a little bit longer than him. But I make mistakes all the time. For example, the bridge video that we did, that was his idea, and to me it was a great idea, and I screwed it up. And the worst part about it, he even mentioned to me when we was there, he said, should we put the microphones on the cars? And I said, oh no, we don't need that. Well, guess what? We should have. So he's the boss now. He's going to tell me what to do. But anyway, you enjoying YouTube, Jonathan?
Yeah, so far.
Yeah, well, we're enjoying it. It gives us, like I said, it gives us more chance to...
Excuse to get the cars out.
Yeah, excuse to get the cars out and whatnot. And anyway, guys, I hope you get a little idea from this video how much goes into making a video. Mind you, our channel's pretty small, so our production value's not the greatest right now. Just imagine some of them channels that their production value is as good or better than what you see on TV or in the movies. But anyway, I thought we'd put this video up. Maybe no one's interested, but I thought I'd put it up. And anything you want to say, Jonathan?
No.
No, I guess we're all good. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. guys, we're getting ready to shoot a video, so we're just going to set the car up. I got Jonathan going to put the cameras on. Just wanted to show you guys what it takes to set everything up. So we both get up. Well, I get up 4:30. What time do you get up, Jonathan?
I never get up to 5:30.
Huh?
I never get up to 5:30.
Jonathan get up 5:30 to shoot a video for you guys. Yeah, that's good. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna hook one up so we can see the tire when we do the burnout, hopefully. Oh, all right. Okay, now we gotta do the microphone. Yeah, I got the microphone all in the trunk just to try to speed up the process. I got to get the tape though. I think I put tape in one of them other bags. So now we're gonna tape the microphone on. Put it right about there.
Right here, right here.
I'll just tape it right there. Okay, so now the car is all ready. All we got to do is drive to the spot. We'll set up a couple tripods at the end of the quarter mile, and we won't bother turning the cameras and microphone on till we get to the spot. But this here just saves us some time once we get out there. And anyway, guys, thanks a lot for watching. I don't know, maybe no one's interested in this video, but I thought I'd show you what it took to make a YouTube video. Anyway, guys, we'll catch you in the next one. probably 3 or 4 hours of editing now. I'll probably get one edited today and have it up either tonight or tomorrow morning.